Traverse correction. Complete workflow. Using ESurvey Traverse. Traverse correction is the process of adjusting field measurements, such as angles and distances, in a series of connected survey lines, known as a traverse. The objective of traverse correction is to eliminate or minimize closing errors and ensure overall geometric accuracy of the survey. ESurvey Traverse correction provides a one-stop solution for correcting all types of traversing errors for both open traverse and closed traverse survey data. Preparing field data. Before traverse correction. Before starting traverse correction, it is essential to prepare the survey data in the correct format for input into the software. In field surveys, data can be collected in different forms. The commonly used types of field data include 1. Horizontal angle and distance. 2. Bearing and distance. 3. Easting and northing coordinates. To handle all these different input types, ESurvey Traverse correction provides built-in conversion tools. Standardized input format in ESurvey Traverse. To standardize calculations, ESurvey Traverse correction requires input data in the following format: station name, X coordinate, easting, Y coordinate, northing. Scale factor. This data must be prepared in a prescribed Excel.xlsx format. Once the field data is converted and prepared in the required format, the traverse correction calculations and reports can be generated. Open traverse correction. An open traverse is a traverse where the ending point does not coincide with the starting point. Methods available for open traverse correction. Open traverse correction in ESurvey can be performed using the following two methods. 1. Bowditch method. 2. Transit method. Procedure to compute open traverse. Bowditch method. 1. Open the ESurvey Traverse correction application. 2. Navigate to the Open Traverse menu. 3. Select the Bowditch method. Import known GPS control points. Import GPS known points using the prescribed Excel format. Station name X coordinate, Y coordinates, scale factor. Click Import and select the saved .xlsx file. Click on Compute. Go to the Traverse Computation tab. Import the survey observation data by clicking the Import button. Select the save.xlsx file. Click the Adjust button. The software automatically performs all calculations, applies traverse corrections, displays corrected alignment drawings. Click the Export button to export. Complete calculation results, adjustment details, coordinate outputs to Excel. Click on the Drawing Save button to export the drawing. Existing and corrected coordinate points are exported. Transit method. To compute the open traverse using the transit method, follow the same procedure. Import data, compute, adjust, export results. A closed traverse is formed when a series of connected survey lines creates a closed loop where the finishing point coincides with the starting point. Closed traverse surveys are widely used in applications such as boundary surveys, ponds, forest areas, property demarcation. Methods available for closed traverse correction. Closed traverse correction in ESurvey can be done using the following three methods. 1. Bowditch method. 2. Transit method. 3. Crandall's least square method. Procedure to compute closed traverse. Bowditch method. 1. Open the ESurvey Traverse correction application. 2. Go to the Closed Traverse menu. 3. Select the Bowditch option. Prepare Excel template. Click on Template. An empty Excel file opens with the prescribed format containing station name, X coordinate, Y coordinate scale factor. Copy your survey data into this file and save it as a .xlsx file. Click on the Import button. Select the saved .xlsx file. All imported points will be displayed on the screen. Click the Adjust button. The program computes or traverse corrections or coordinate adjustments or error distribution. Updated calculations are displayed on the screen. Export outputs. Click Export to generate the Excel report. Click Save Drawing to export the corrected drawing file. Transit method. For transit method, follow the same steps as bowditch. Prepare template. Import data. Adjust. Export results. Least square, Crandall. Method for closed traverse. For the least square method, data must be prepared in a different Excel template containing station name, distance, azimuthal bearing, least square computation steps. 1. Open the least square screen. 2. Click on Import. 3. Select the saved .xlsx file. 4. Imported survey points will be displayed on the screen. Click the Adjust button to perform least square calculations. Review the computed results. Click Export to generate the Excel report. Click Save Drawing to export the drawing file. Conversion tools in eSurvey. eSurvey Traverse Correction includes a dedicated Conversion Tools menu to convert field data into required formats. Available conversion tools include 1. Bearing and distance. Convert bearing and distance to easting and northing. 2. Horizontal angle and distance. Convert horizontal angle and distance to easting and northing. 3. Easting and northing. Convert easting and northing to bearing and distance. Horizontal angle, azimuthal bearing. 4. Angle in degree. Convert degrees to DMS. 5. Angle in DMS. Convert DMS to degrees. 6. Azimuthal bearing. Convert azimuthal bearing to horizontal angle. 7. Reduced bearing and WCB. Convert reduced bearing quadrantal bearing to WCB. Whole circle bearing. 8. WCB and reduced bearing. Convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. For all conversion tools. 1. Prepare the Excel data using the prescribed template. 2. Import the Excel file. 3. Compute the conversion. 4. Export the results. With eSurvey Traverse Correction, you can handle multiple field data formats. Perform accurate open and closed traverse corrections. Apply bowditch, transit, and least square methods. Generate reports and drawings efficiently. This makes eSurvey Traverse Correction a complete and reliable solution for professional surveying workflows.